guys, today we have another great product to review. It's Alexa Echo Show 8.
Ooh, check that out.
Can we open it?
Go ahead and unbox it.
Let's see if I
Get
can.
that wrapper off. Unbox it.
It's gone.
Very careful. Don't rip the carton in case we have to return it.
That was cool. Where is it?
Nice and easy.
Oh.
Don't be cheesy.
Oh my gosh.
It's got a nice smile.
Where? Ew. That's the cardboard.
Amazon smile.
What was that? I don't need.
Okay. Keep the carton together. All right, just throw it down for now. And
Here's Alexa. Is it smiling? It's not smiling. Is
take
it
the
that?
plastic off. Don't get any fingerprints on the screen.
I won't. Alexa. I got it. That's cool.
Cute. It came in like a black one and a white one, and I don't think the white one was on sale
Yeah, it wasn't.
at Amazon, but I did see it on sale for the same price at B&H. So you have your power cord,
Here. You have the
Alright.
instructions.
instructions.
Hello.
Now we have the Amazon Alexa is a dot.
Yeah.
So we
yeah.
kind of know how to use it. We haven't had one with a display yet, but go ahead and plug it in. Let's see how it sets up. So plug that power cord in the back.
There's a button. What did I do?
Leave it facing forward. That button up top, that's if you want to
Yeah.
shut your camera off. Block it. So Amazon can't spy on you.
What do I want to find?
Echo.
It's supposed to do that.
Okay, getting your device online. When getting your device, so this might take a moment. Yes, you can leave it in English, please. English.
Go over here.
Yeah, step around front.
English.
English. Searching for networks. We will need a password.
Here we have the password. I already have fingerprints on it. Ooh.
All right. We will put in our password. Don't look, guys. Don't look at our password. And we'll be back.
Here.
All right. We have the password in. Go ahead and connect. Connecting. Fetching registration. Hello, Mark. How do you know my name's Mark? Oh, what? Seriously? Is that you mentioned your Amazon password, your Echo? By tapping sign, agree to the conditions. Huh. But how did... Oh, because I ordered it. They already set it up.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sign in.
I can't. You gotta find the password.
Oh, the password for my account? Guys, no peeking. No peeking. Go ahead and sign in, please. Registering our device. Loading. Loading. Okay, so it looks like we go through a setup. Yes, we are in North America, Eastern Standard Time. Go ahead, continue. What, you gonna give our address?
Continue.
Continue. You guys don't need to be seeing our address. Which room is your Echo 8 in?
Bedroom.
Let's just say bedroom for now.
Anna.
Give this device a name to play music, call, or drop in on just the device. Say that. Our Echo.
Our Echo.
How about, so we know which one? Echo Show 8. Show 8. Very good. Our Echo Show 8. Loading. Choose a wallpaper. Go ahead and pick a wallpaper.
Oh, I gotta scroll down.
That's good.
Wait.
Go ahead, just choose one. Download the latest Alexa mobile app and log in to continue. Checking for app login.
You should do it on your tablet. That's what you did with the other Alexa. Oh. Skip.
Updating.
Is it watching?
So it must be updating the firmware.
You don't think?
No. That's why I don't like being logged in, because you could just click something and you bought it. Almost done.
This device is ready.
Oh.
Is at the current time 39 degrees. It knows our temperature.
Alexa.
Our local temperature. It knows the time already.
What should I say?
And it looks like it's pretty much set up. Now, let's start trending topics. Weird things to know.
Alexa, tell me something weird.
A fox broke into Parliament in the UK. CNN reports the sneaky woodland creature entered by climbing an escalator, then evaded police across 4 stories of the famous legislature for some time, stopping to visit the atrium and pass by the offices of a few official members of Parliament. Police used big gloves to help them corral the fox, and it was eventually removed from the building in a crate.
And there he is. What else can it do? Alexa, what's the weather?
In Lancaster, it's 39 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Tonight, you can look for mostly clear skies, with a low of 27 degrees. Would you like to know the weather for this weekend?
Yes, please.
In Lancaster for this weekend, Friday, 49 degrees Fahrenheit and intermittent clouds. Saturday, 45 degrees and clouds and showers. Sunday, 56 degrees and mostly sunny weather.
Alexa, go to YouTube.
Please select a default browser.
Silk.
Here is YouTube.
What?
Alexa, go to Annalise's Awesome Adventures.
Here's what I found.
I gotta search it. There it is.
Oh, there it is. That's pretty cool.
I don't watch a video.
And there's our channel. Alexa, play some popular music.
Here's what I found.
So it brings up some stuff. Don't play it because we don't want to get copyrighted. So
Here.
I guess because we were on YouTube, it's going to play YouTube music. Am I correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And get off of it, see?
Yeah, get off YouTube.
How?
The X. Hit the X. Oh.
Where? Home.
Settings. Okay.
Alexa, play music.
Here's a popular station, Today's Hits, on Amazon Music.
We don't want to get copyrighted. All right.
Oh, it has a lyric.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the ceiling fans that fell in love?
No.
They had a whirlwind romance.
Alexa, I'd like to set an alarm.
Oh no.
Alarm for what time?
9:39 p.m.
Alarm set for 9:39 p.m.
Alexa, shut off alarm. Alexa, give me the news.
Here's your news. From Reuters TV.
From Reuters TV, here are the top stories.
I will be fined for telling the truth.
Beat in eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated.
Next, Alexa. Next step.
Step 4. Add flour mixture to the butter mixture. Whisk
Alexa,
until
stop.
combined.
Okay, so that's basically how to start your... Alexa, turn that around so we can see what it looks like in the back.
Okay.
You have a brightness setting there, and on the back,
That's just the back.
so it has like a fabric material, right? And you got your power button on top.
No, that's
Volume?
not power button.
That's not a power button? What is it?
That's to mute it.
That's to mute it?
Yeah, because if you like watching
Okay.
something and it says Alexa,
Is there a power button?
no,
There's no power
just
button.
plug it in.
It's always on.
You can just unplug it.
You have your switch here to block your camera. Is that on or off?
Off.
That's off. So when you see the red thing, your camera is off. Then you have your volume control, and it looks like microphones. And the back here, fabric material. It's also your speaker. Down here is where you plug in your power adapter. Looks like you get a power out, and it looks like you have a micro C port. Does this run by? It also runs by being charged up. That's nice. So you wouldn't need to be powered to the wall. I did not know it would do that.
Plug your headphone in there. I tried it with the other Alexa.
I don't think that's a headphone adapter.
But this is what the end result is.
Alexa, stop. That was Trump.
Okay. So it has a little bit of weight to it. It's nice and solid. Got a good picture. Well, except the subject matter right there. So let's get to know our Alexa. You can make phone calls, video phone calls. We will have a part 2 of this video once we get to know our Alexa a little bit better. So this ends part 1.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching.